today's video, I will be taking you around Villa Excellence! Villa Excellence is under new management, so there have been a lot of changes and a lot of improvements, and I will be showing you all of that. So stay tuned as I take you on a tour around Villa Excellence. Villa Excellence Beach and Wave Pool Resort is a 7-hectare property along the coastline of Tansa, Cavite. We have been here before the pandemic, and if you've been here too, you'll see the total makeover of the place. Yep, the place has so many picture-perfect spots, from the entrance to the hallways and all over the vicinity. Keep watching and you'll see what I mean. If you want to relax and take a break from the city, Villa Excellence is just an hour or two away from Manila and from Tagaytay. Aside from being an 8-pool water park including a wave pool and slides of different heights and colors, they are also a perfect place for staycation as they have new and improved rooms. They have loft-type rooms, jacuzzi villas, and glamping villas, as well as premium and standard modern rooms. Guess who dropped by to say hi? Just right next to the waiting area, you'll see Marvel and DC life-size superheroes. Kids and kids at heart will surely love this place. Now let's check out the glamping villa that we booked. Very cozy indeed. We were able to get this room for almost half the price because of the reopening 40% discount and a 10% birthday discount. Now let's walk around and see what else is here. Nope, these aren't trees. These are showers. Here's a playpen for kids who'd rather not swim. Oh, hello, Spidey. Now let's check out the pools. Here's the wave and foam pool. And here we've got the kiddie wave pool. Now we're on our way to the giant aqua slide. Yep, these kids are fearless just like me. Gotta join them. Here's another kiddie pool. And now you're looking at the Pirates pool. They also have restaurants, by the way, but they allowed us to bring food inside the resort. At night, it's one big pool party! Look at all that foam. Looks like everyone's having fun! This happens to be the Cool It Kids TV's favorite spot. Probably because we have the pool all to ourselves. The music and the lights definitely add up to the fun. Up next is the infinity pool. Mommy V is dancing to the music. She's having fun, all right. Another improvement is their public restrooms. It's well lit and always clean. Here's a view of the kiddie pool at night. Well, let's keep walking around. While we're strolling, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. It's day 2, and we're on our way to get our free breakfast. We are about to enter the Villa Excellence pantry. If you book one of their rooms, you get free breakfast on the next day. Another A factor, the food is delicious. Coffee corner. Toasted bread or cereals if you don't want a full meal. And there are fruits and other Filipino delicacies. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And as I always say, I'll see you around! Special thanks to all the friendly and accommodating staff of Villa Excellence. For inquiries, check out their website or Facebook page posted on the description box of this video.